So welcome back, guys, and this is the finished dish of my soup. The pepper, that's the pepper, y'all. And guys, I have coconut milk in there, and I put some butter in there also. You gotta put coconut milk. If you don't have any, you use butter, but I still put some butter in there even though I have the coconut milk in there. So guys, I went ahead and I plated some. So this is my finished dish of my gungo peas or pigeon peas soup with pigtail and chicken foot. And see, I have more, guys. I have more in there. It's a pata soup, and it tastes awesome, guys, and it smells awesome. So that's the soup. Thanks for watching me making my soup, guys. And I had also changed it into another pot. And you know, guys, I always clean up as I go. I don't have anything hanging around. Everything is copacetic. Guys, please Subscribe to my channel, Marva Most Blessed Jamaican Cooking.